the questions that you had to look at yesterday and differentiate. First one, y equals 12x cubed plus 5x squared plus 3. Bring the power in front, you subtract 1 from the original power, so the differentiation of that is 3 times the 12 is 36, and I drop a power. 2 comes down in front of the 5, so 2 times 5 is 10, and I drop a power, so I just have an x to the power 1 or an x, and here we'd have a 0 down in front, so 0 times anything is 0. Second one is 3x cubed plus 8x. Bring the power down in front, so that's a 3 down in front of the 3, which is a 9, and I drop a power. So it was a cubed, now it's a squared. And then there's a 1 here, so I bring the 1 down in front and I drop a power, so that's 8, and I lose an x, so that's an x to the power 0. Question 3. 3x squared plus 2x minus 5x minus 3. Well, before I differentiate that, I might just make that a little bit simpler. So y equals 3x squared minus 3x minus 3. I bring the power down in front and I subtract 1 from the original power, so the 2 goes down in front. 2 times 3 is 6, and I drop a power. There's a power of 1 here, the 1 comes down in front, so I have a minus 3, and I drop a power. And then there's a 0 here, bring the 0 in front. 0 times anything is 0. So that's question 3. Question 4. A minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 2. I bring the power down in front. I subtract 1 from the original power, so 2 goes down in front of the minus 5. That's minus 10x. I drop a power. The 1 here, 1 goes down in front of the 4, so that's a minus 4. And again, a 0 there, so 0 comes down in front. 0 times anything is 0. Question 5, y equals 9x squared minus 8x. Okay, so the 2 goes down in front. And it's 2 times 9, which is 18, and I drop a power. There's a 1 here, so the 1 goes down in front. That's 1 times minus 8, which is minus 8, and I drop a power. Sorry. Question 6. (8x cubed plus 9x minus 2). If I want to differentiate, 3 goes down in front. That's 3 times 8, which is 24, and I drop a power. Here there's a 1 on the x, so x to the power 1, so the 1 goes down in front of the 9, and I drop a power. And again, the 0 there, 0 times anything is 0. Question 7, 4x squared plus 4x plus 8. So that's 2 times 4 is 8, x, the 1 comes down in front, plus 4. Question 8, y equals 6x squared minus 8x minus 1. Bring the 2 down in front of the 6, so I'm differentiating here. That gives me 12x minus 8. Question 9. X to the power 4 minus x to the power 3. I bring the 4 down in front. And I drop a power. So 4 times 1 is 4. And then the 3 comes down in front. Sorry, it's a minus. And I drop a power. And the very last one, question 10 that you had, minus 3x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 5x minus 4. And if I differentiate that, now what is the purpose of differentiation? It's to find the rate at which something is changing. So that could give me the 4 down in front. So 4 times 3 is 12, so that's minus 12x cubed because I drop a power. Plus the 3 comes down in front. 3 times 2 is 6. X squared because I drop a power. There's a 1 here, so 1 comes down in front of the 5, so 1 times 5 is 5. And I drop a power, and there's an x power 0 here, so the 0 comes down in front. So I can write 0 if I want, but I don't need to.